Finally getting some snow. This is the first snow of the season, really, that has stuck very much. It's nighttime, and so it's hard to tell, but it's actually sticking to the road, even though it's not freezing outside right now. It's kind of sticking to my steps. I'll come back and take some more later. It's when it finishes. It's actually beautiful.